Hi, welcome to DataCare channel. A lot of you have asked if we can use Synology MR-2200 as a standalone router. Yes, you can, and we will look at that setup today. I've connected my MR-2200 router with my computer with a LAN cable, but you can also connect it wirelessly the first time you power it on. You will see a WLAN ID starting with Synology and ending with the serial number of the device. You can connect to that WLAN ID with Synology as the password and then connect to it with the default IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. So let's start. It will ask me to create a username and password. I'll create a very simple password and a weak one just for the tutorial purpose, but of course you know that it's a good practice to always create a strong password. Accept the terms and conditions and click on next. And then you have the Wi-Fi setting. You will have to give an SSID and a password and the location. So let's do that now. Okay, now this is where the operations mode is. You can either use as a wireless router or as a wireless access point. In case you're wondering how to configure it as a mesh satellite, then that will be done from your main device. So if you have RT2600 as your main device, you will do the mesh satellite setting from the MR2200 interface itself. Let's configure it as the wireless router that connects directly to the internet. Click on next. You'll be given your PPPoE settings here, your username and the password would go here, and you will also be able to do the extra settings from here. Your IPTV and VoIP settings will also go here. We are required for these settings in UAE, though it's easier to skip this step and do it from the main interface. Once you do that, your Synology router will automatically shut down and then reboot. Alright, let's start managing it now. Okay, so this is the main interface, and as you can see, the interface is exactly the same as RT2600. To know how to, okay, let's just close all these. To know how to use this router, you can look at our other tutorial on RT2600 because the interface is exactly the same. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section. We'll get back to you.